hier auf gar keinen Fall drehen. Lipgloss. 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 Danke. Jep, hallo, unsere wundervollen Horror-Fantasy-Soldaten und unsere wundervollen Horror-Fantasy-Soldatinnen. Versprochen, wir sind das zweite Mal heute drin. Und wir kommen sogar noch mal ein drittes Mal reingefurzt. Also von daher zieht euch einen frischen Schlipper an, wenn ihr reinkommt. Und dann geht es hier nämlich richtig schön rund heute. Also wir sind jetzt dabei. Wir wollen ein bisschen was schaffen, um uns vorzubereiten. Warum mache ich das Ganze eigentlich auf Deutsch? Ich habe die ganze Zeit gehustelt mit Letterfrau. La Etterfrau, hallo, bitte sehr. Erwischt? Nein! Ich kann ja alles löschen, wenn ich es wollen würde, aber ich will nicht. Aber jetzt sollten wir fix ins Englische switchen. Welcome our wonderful horror fantasy soldiers and our wonderful female horror fantasy soldiers. Excuse me, I was with my mind in German because I have worked in dashes a lot in our other social media areas, and there was a lot to do in German. That was why my mind was fixed with German, with the German language. But we will change it, so we will change so fast as we can. Speak in German, no, speak in English. It's too much right now. It's very late now. But this is how it is, and we wanna start to do the most important thing here in the castle for decorate the Halloween accessoires. But the biggest problem is that it's very late today. I have used too much time. Today. That means we can't use the machine here. The, what is it? Bohrmaschine in English.
Brum brum.
The brum machine for the walls. You know what we mean? To hang on. A very beautiful thing in my life. But I can let you know. Can I come in, baby girlie?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. But before we wanna do something with you, I should make a lip gloss in here and think on my lips. I haven't a stative here in my hand. Oh no, you can't see me and you can't see us. Okay. Oh goodness. Okay, it's perfect too. The most important thing is that we can see my lips, okay? It's really dark at the outside. The night will come. Okay, this is okay. But yeah, it's okay. So it's shiny enough. So in the room of the Moss Princess, we have parked a very big present from my newest girlfriend, which I have met in the day clinic. She have give us for our last day in the day clinic and very personally present, which was for me everything. And because of this present, not because of this present, but with this. Oh goodness, I can't come out here because it's so very big. Hello. Hello. This is...
Stehst du drauf?
Oh. Yes. I stehe drauf. It's very big. Look at it. It's a really big branches, and it is should hanging on the wall. It is beautiful, but on the other side.
Achso.
Yes. Okay. And I'm just falling here. Can you turn around it, baby? Yeah. Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, this is wonderful. And you can put it on the bank, please. For it can stay here until tomorrow. And tomorrow we can use the bohrmaschinata. Hi, Money. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. How is it going? How is it going with you? Is it good? Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, my baby boy dog. Oh, yeah, I love my life. Yeah, I love my life. And why is my kitchen cabinet open? Huh? Okay, can't believe it. So, and we have to take this mirror. Oh no, that was the right direction. And there stand everything for it.
Then we have to wait.
Then we have to wait. Then we have one exercise. One exercise less. Weniger. Ha! Cool. God, I feel so finished for today. But
We didn't have to do anything.
nothing else anymore for today.
We have too much today.
We have done a lot. But the thing is, where's my to-do list?
And tomorrow we can boom boom.
We can use the bohrmaschine. Can you use your mobile phone and check it out? What is it in English? Thank you so much. And I want to drink a little swallow of my hot love tea. But now it's very cold. Oh goodness, baby. How many sweeteners in it? How many sugars? Hot in love.
2.
2 and so sweet?
Yes, I
Okay,
promise.
please, for the future.
Bohrmaschine is drill.
A drill? Okay, tomorrow we can...
Boring machine.
Boring.
Or power drill.
Oh,
Power drill.
power drill. Okay, tomorrow we use a power drill because it's 7 p.m. right now, and I think it's okay. We have neighbors with a baby at the right side and on the right side, and on the other side, on the left side, I don't know if they have children.
No.
They didn't have children. But on the right side, this is enough to know that they have definitely a baby and a little dog, and that means it's okay. We don't have to use the power drill machine for now, because the day was definitely long enough. My stress level is really high. I have a lot of problems with my breathing. It's something like an overstressed thing. When I have too much stress, and I didn't feel comfortable enough to breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out, and so on and so on. And why did I have a cap on my head, or a hat on my head? I have no idea what it is, but you know, all this is very pretty warm. Sometimes I use my cap or my hat. Is that a hat for a hat? Or ein cap for a head?
No, it's
Another thing?
no, and head for that.
And then for a head. Okay, baby. Okay, we have to read the body and mind protector list for today. It's we should use I don't know what is hammer. A hammer. I think a hammer is a hammer. and it's not a hammer. Then I don't want to come back to YouTube, okay? Then I forget myself, I forget us, and everything is okay. So we have read on our list that we have to bring on curtains. Curtains on the wall. But my curtains be definitely in the Halloween bag. I can show you this. Yeah. Yeah. Da-da-da-da-dum-dum. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. This is really not. It's really creepy. Stimmt's? Yes, it stimmt. That's right. It stimmt that's right. That is right. And I haven't to show you what is everything in my Halloween decoration bag, because that will be the second time where we do it. And we have a vlog create where we show you all of the cutie inside things here. This is one curtain, and I want to have it on this at the door. It should hang on the door, like in witchy style. You know what we mean? Here is the other one. This is something like a bigger think curtain stuff. What is stuff? I have no idea. Sometimes I have a lot of words which I don't know anymore. This is a thing, because it's how it is. Okay, these are all my curtains. This is not much, baby. Just 3. Is that right? 1. Martin. 2. 3, 4. Or is it 5? Did we have 5? 4. Just 4. And how many doors? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's enough. It's enough. And we have 13 minutes. 13 minutes. But now you know my plan for today. And tomorrow I can show you the curtains. And now we wanna bring the curtains on without you, because later we will see us to read an autobiography. But this autobiography isn't translated in English. This is one thing what I have to do for now before we can read it in our third vlog. That means I have to hurry up extremely, because this biography is for me it's not for me, but it is very important for me. And the biography is from this musician singer Gil Ofarim. And Gil Ofarim have write an biography where he describes a lot of very deep things who be for me very informative and which yeah, which protect my soul. Yes. With other words, it helps me along my depression way, my long depression way. With all his words, he have find with a kind of word or with a lot of sentences. They're going really deeply, and they are soul food for my nerves. Okay, we see us later. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Okay, kisses from heaven. Don't follow us until you live in vegan ethical lifestyle too with us, baby boy dogger. Ciao.